Okay, so we're decorating this garden for fall. Just popping in some crotons for spots of orange. Maybe this right there. Look, nestled in better. Just gotta remove any damaged leaves. Back a little bit anyway. Get that nestled in there. This will look really nice through Thanksgiving. So I'm hoping I can find pockets of sun for these marigolds. And I'll scatter them right between the crotons over here too. I'm not sure how well they're gonna play out. But when I see the periwinkles doing good right here, that's encouraging for me to tuck a marigold. Hopefully, anyway, if I can get the pockets right, because I know this spot gets a little sunshine, but not much water. I'm also going to take back that periwinkle a little bit. I always try to rotate the plant and find the best facing side to put facing the front of the garden. So now this croton, definitely the front direction. Now hopefully I didn't make this croton too unhappy by thinning out the roots at the bottom, because the dirt kind of just completely fell off of it. I wasn't expecting that. This fat earthworm down in there. So I'm going to take out a few of these tallest ones, just so they don't compete too much with those new crotons going in.